pause it.
Hey guys, now I'm gonna be doing Subway Surfers video.
This is his first gameplay or app review video with his
And make sure,
screen recorder.
and this is eBoogie 11 right here.
Yeah, what's up, guys? And we will be uploading videos every day because I'm gonna be here for a week and he's gonna be here for a week and it's gonna be awesome.
Yep. Let's get started. This is hard.
And I'm currently recording a video on my channel with my screen recorder. It's paused right now though, so it's all good. I hate nighttime in Minecraft.
I do too. And they can hurt you. Polar bears can hurt you in Minecraft.
They're a lot better. I turned my brightness all the way up.
And this game's so hard.
Bro, look at 10 minutes and 34 seconds. That's how long my video is.
Gotta go on the trains. By the way, subscribe down below. And yeah.
Can you turn this down real quick? Because I'm going to be restart my...
See?
Oh. You're recording right now.
Huh?
You're recording.
Okay, we're back and we're gonna be doing this again.
Turn it down there. Thank you.
No, but then they can't hear me.
They can hear you, they just can't hear the sound that your game is making.
Yeah.
Antonio's using the screen recorder I used to use, but I switched to Mobizin or however you say it.
And make sure you subscribe to me or anything else.
Alright, whatever guys. It's taking too long for daytime, but all I did while it was paused is I made 2 chests and made a large chest and put...
Bye. Make sure you subscribe down below. I'll put eBoogie 11 down below.
Antonio.
Okay. Bye.